Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be looking at the drop test phones that we did in the previous videos. We'll go ahead and I'm working on an iPhone 4 over here, so that's why all my tools and stuff are over on this side. So let's go ahead and start with the first one we did. I think was the Vista, if I remember right. As you can tell, it is cracked, but it's fully working still. Just took some scuffing on it. On the back, as you can see all the little indents. Let me wipe the camera lens too real quick. Oh, that might work better. So as you can see, just a whole bunch of little indents on the back from the color change. So nothing too bad. It did crack, but overall, it's in pretty decent shape still. We might just do a bin test on it. So we might just do that because with the bad IMEI, it's not really any good technically. It's not really a good giveaway phone. I'm working on a giveaway phone, but the video will be coming up pretty soon with the phones over there in the box. You guys can't see. I'm going to add these in there. The Vista I'm probably going to do a bin test on, but see, it is fully working still. Maybe. Fully working still, but cracked. We got the Samsung T, I wrote it on the back so I can remember, 301G. As you can see, it's still on. This one handled really good. I ended up doing 2 throw tests on it because it handled so good. As you can see on the back, I'm not sure if that's paint or if that's yeah, it's actually paint that's chipped off right down here. Just a lot of nicks on the side. There's camera focus. There we go. A couple nicks on the side there, as you can tell. On the bottom. I mean, it really did really good. Not the best one. I can't remember the best one we've had so far. It'd probably be the, believe it or not, probably the N3300. That thing took it like a beast. I can see the frame is popped out right there and can't get to snap back in, so we might look into that. See what broke, see if we can get to push back in for the giveaway. Pull this up maybe. There we go. There's your little battery sound. So as you can tell, but like I said, it's still working. LCD is still good. You know, good parts phone. So there's that one. Then we did the Nokia 5165, I think it is. Yeah, 5165. Cracked the LCD on the face down. I haven't looked at the recordings if that crack was from the throw test or the face down test. But this was from the throw test. I can see it demolished the battery right there. You can see the plastic where it deformed it from the hit. So this was from the throw test. It must have landed like that. Other than that, the bottom of the battery housing also is it's pulled off. As you can see, it's cracked. Other than that, the phone itself is pretty good, minus the LCD and the front lens crack. It did pretty good. I don't even know if it works. We can grab the battery out of my other Nokia if I have it around. I moved all my phone in this little bin on the side now, so I'm not even sure if I'm going to be able to find it. But that'll be going in. These two will be going in the giveaway box. So the giveaway box probably won't have any batteries in it. Like I said, I glued this battery in. Probably won't have any batteries unless I have extra ones, because I do keep all my batteries. And they're going to be untested. You know, what you get is what you get. I'm sorry, guys. I'm working on giving away a little bit better of a phone, but I need to get rid of those. And unless you guys want me to do something with them, like destroy them or something, let me know in the comments. But as of right now, we're going to just do a giveaway on them. Here is the Samsung. Oh, what is this? I don't even think I told you guys when I did the drop test in it. It is the S425G. Here's the battery. So as you can see from the throw test, the lens came off. I'll put that back on. The battery came out, which it actually looks like it took some damage. Let me peel the adhesive off of this real quick. There's the adhesive I had on there. And you can see it kind of got indented right there. So that must have been from one of the backdrops or something. Gonna put this back on. Just typical scratches around the edges, scuff on the black plastic. This was the failed drop test on the front. I tried to do it and ended up landing on the back corner, so we redid that. You see there's a couple indents there. I mean, this one actually did really good too. I'm pretty sure the LCD cracked though, from the throw test. But the ribbon cable is damaged in this one, so we can't really tell. I'm gonna grab the Note 8 and turn the flashlight on. The screen is like completely tweaking on this thing now. So, I don't know. It may not have much time left. I may do a drop test on this because, as you can tell, ain't much good there. Maybe we'll buy a screen for it or something. And the pixel's still doing good out here. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the LCD cracked. It looks like there's some damage to the LCD in that corner right there, as you can tell, and right there in the center. So yeah, I'm gonna assume the LCD's cracked on this. Probably to throw this in the giveaway box as well. But there's that. So there's the update on those. As you can tell, they definitely took it pretty hard. Looks like a lot of them, let's see what, 2 of them made it out all right. And then also I dropped the Note 10 out there, and thank God I had a screen protector on it because it would have cracked the screen if I didn't. So that's good. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.